Welcome back to another video, guys. So we got some parts to install for the next couple of days. So we're doing full suspension revamp because these coilovers are blown. We got some Yonaka coilovers, eBay camber arms, and eBay lower control arms. So we're gonna do that. I know these are eBay, but I've been running eBay control arms and a camber kit for pretty much years now, and they've handled well, especially through these roads here in the Northeast. So I have no doubt that these will last the same amount. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's try to get a lot of this stuff done today. So I have opened up all these boxes. These are the lower control arms here. Try to get it out of the bag. So this is the rear camber kit. It's pretty solid. The ones I have on right now are seized, pretty sure. Well, not super seized, but they're just gonna be, annoying to try to loosen up. So I just got some new ones. Put that there. These are the lower control arms. So yeah, nothing crazy. Now we look at this box. These are the Yonaka coilovers. They did hook it up. They sent over license plate frame, a lanyard. They also sent over a shirt, which I unfortunately cannot wear because it's a size medium. Came with spanner wrenches. Also came with a hat. So it's kind of crazy. They hooked it up big time. But these are the coilovers themselves. These are the rears. These are the rears. They look pretty solid. I heard good reviews about Yonaka. I was planning on dropping a bag on really expensive coilovers, but went this route a little bit, and we'll see how they go. I heard good things. So these lower control arms and everything, we'll be using the OEM bolts that are on the car at the moment. Hopefully we don't snap any, but we shall see. I think plan for today, it's already 3 o'clock, is just get the fronts on for now, and then I'll do the rears another time. But if we do have time and get these on fairly fast for the fronts, we'll attempt to do the rears. Alright, so I'm gonna go jack the front up. I probably won't jack them up on jack stands. So I'll probably just do one side at a time and go from there. It shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, car's jacked up, wheels off. So it's pretty simple. There's just two 14 millimeter bolts up here. Take those off. There's a 14 and 17 down here. These two are 17s, I believe. And there's a 14 on the side right there. And you pretty much just hammer the fork down, comes off. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's a pretty easy process for Civics with the wishbone suspension. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Also, don't mind how dirty this engine bay is. A detail will be coming up. I'm gonna clean this whole thing. It's kind of messy right now. But like I said, 14 for these bolts. Alright, so these are loose. I'm gonna leave these on for now. So there's that 14 right there that snugs the coilover to the fork. And that's a 17 bolt right there. So to take this one off, you might need an open wrench and your ratchet, or just 2 ratchets, which either or. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Got 14 on here. Put this on. Easy as that. That one came off, as you can see. Take this off here. Boom. Not bad. A little bit rusty, but took that off. Here, like so. So that's in here. Make sure that's right. Easy as that, see? Got this off, and this can just get pushed out. Boom. You just take a mallet. As you can see, the bolts still in here. Oh, touching on the thing. Take a mallet or hammer, and just hammer that out. All right, got it out. It might take some elbow grease to get out, but as you see, only this part's threaded, and the rest of this isn't. So you pretty much, you know, pull it out. Well, pause.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
That was crazy, but yeah. Make sure that you take this, screw it on here, so you don't lose it, because that would suck. And now, all we have to do is pretty much just hammer this out of place and unscrew these top bolts up here, and you should be good. Just pull it down. Alright, I'm gonna take these off right here. Crusty. Boom. First coilover is out. I'm gonna go grab the fronts from the Yonaka, match them. Alright, so we have both fronts here. I didn't adjust any of these yet. It's pretty close to what these are at right now. So I'm not gonna touch it, see where it sits, and then we'll go from there. So now putting these coilovers in, it's just the process in reverse, of course. So it's not too bad. Just pretty much put this into the fork, put the bolts back in, and tighten the top nuts. So after that, we should be good. Got the coilover in, tighten these enough so it's kind of flush. Then later, when it's on the ground, on the car's weight, I'm gonna loosen them up, then retighten them, so it's under load. So now the easy part is just put everything back together, hammer this fork back in, put the bolts back in, and yeah.
Day 2.
It's the next day. I'm on the rears now. I got the two front end. This side's dialed in. I decided to put the T's on, but the other side is still need to dial in. But we are here now. As you can see, blown. So hopefully none of these bolts give us too much trouble. Hopefully none of them snap or seize or RCs, and everything goes smoothly. So we'll see how it goes. So I believe all three of these are 14s. So we have a 14 here, and they are 14s. Okay, so I got these two bolts off. These are pretty easy to come off. They're right there, as you can see. However, I think the actual lower control arm is still good. I just need to wipe it down from all the oil or fluid that came from the blown coilover. So I'm gonna clean that up, unbolt the two 14s, I think, in the trunk, and the coilover should just drop down. So yeah. So after a vigorous wipe down, still good. The bushings are still solid, so I'm probably not going to replace the lower control arms right now. these ever do shit the bed. I always have the spares, the new ones, but for now, I think I'm gonna leave them as be and just change the coilovers and the upper control arm. That thing is blown, bro. Look, damn. All right, so I think I want to run a little bit more camber just so I have as much clearance as possible. So I think that should be good. Light that up a little bit. Yep. All right, so I pretty much got this one in. I made sure to match it with this, so you know, as close as I can at least. But yeah. Time to put the coilover in. We'll leave it as is, and I'm gonna, of course, lower it, adjust it when it's on the car. So let's put it in. So after countless adjustments, I think I finally got it right. It looks perfect, bro. Just enough space for clearance, not rubbing, hopefully. Shouldn't be, I don't think. But we're good. All right, so as you can tell here, this side, the zone control arm is clean, so this coilover is not blown. Oh well, still gonna swap it, of course, with the new ones. But same thing here on both these 214s and 214s up top. I messed up last time and did the bottom first. So this time I'm gonna leave it bolted down here, and then gonna unscrew it from the top. So when it drops down, it just won't fall. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this side real quick, and then I'll show you guys the finished product later. I peeped this, bro. Look at this rust, dude. I'm just gonna fix all this in the near future. But yeah, so as you can see, I took the 14 millimeter nuts up top, your bolts, and it dropped through, but it's still on here. So all I have to do is take this off, and we should be Gucci. Coilover out. All right, guys, fast forward, of course, coilovers and the rear control arms, or the rear camber kit, is on. This is how it sits. Fitment's pretty tight. But it's good. I maxed out the camber up front, both sides, of course. And yeah, minimal rubbing, to be honest. I only really rub on full lock on this wheel. But other than that, it drives like a champ. Feels good, so nice. So ride quality of the Yonakas so far, they're not too bad. They're pretty good, solid. They're just pretty much your standard coilover, and it does the job right. You can't go wrong for $480 coilovers. So I'm very happy with the purchase. I'm very happy with the rear camber kit. I'm just happy that I can drive this car again. Drive it with confidence, at least, knowing that, you know, my coilover or something won't break on me. So very happy. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and sub. and there'll be more to come. And yeah, I'm gonna do cinematics, and I'll catch you all.